How to enable Google Assistant? Open your Google app, and in your Google app, first of all, you have to sign in with your Google account. So as you can see, I've already signed in. Now I'm tapping on my profile photo here, and in here you have to select settings. Once you are in your Google settings, here you'll find this Google Assistant. Tap on that, and now tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. And first of all, we have to turn on Hey Google and Voice Match in Google Assistant. So tap on Turn On and enable Hey Google. Now let's register our voice here. So tap on I agree. I agree. And now say, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. That's so go ahead and complete these 4 steps. Now say, Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Once you successfully verified your voice, tap on next. And go back from here. And now again, just come to your Google app settings like this. Tap on Google and Assistant, and here scroll down and tap on General Settings. Here make sure you have turned on Google Assistant. Now let's see how it works. Just say, Hey Google. Hey Google, tell me a joke. So as you can see, Google Assistant is working. And you can also activate Google Assistant by pressing the power button. Just press the power button and Google Assistant will be activated. That's it.